I love chips. Let's just put it out there, you guys. That is my guilty pleasure, are potato chips. But I also love maintaining a healthy lifestyle, particularly now that I am in my 60s. So I am trying to find a balance that works for me. Healthy lifestyle, but at the same time, not completely depriving myself of the things that I absolutely love. So recently, I came across this video that says I can replace my potato chips with a healthy alternative, which I am also all about. If you follow me on this channel, I am really successful as far as finding a healthy alternatives to the things that we love, but I've not yet found anything to replace those beloved potato chips. But maybe I have. And I found the recipe on Ella's healthy recipe site, and this is what got my attention. This is the name of the video. It says, I haven't bought chips for a year, an entire year. I can't even imagine. But anyway, I take broccoli and cheese and make chips at home. So that was the title. She hooked me. So I said, you know what? I have got to give this a try. And the worst thing that could possibly happen, you guys, is because I love the main ingredients in this recipe, which I will show you in a second. The worst thing that's going to happen is I will come up with a delicious little recipe that may not replace my potato chips, but it's something that I will definitely go back to. And the ingredients in this recipe happen to be some shredded cheese. And look, guys, and we got some broccoli. Yeah. So she took some smashed broccoli along with a little bit of olive oil, some seasoning, and some cheese. Put it in the oven, just like you would those smashed potatoes. Put it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. And that is supposed to be the potato chip replacement. So we are going to give this thing a try today. I'm so excited about it. So you guys will come in close and let's make some healthy alternative potato chips. So I would say the most time-consuming aspect of this recipe is to prep this broccoli. Now, in her recipe, what she did is she bought fresh broccoli and then she blanched it for about 10-15 minutes, something like that, cooled it in some ice water, and proceeded to cut off the heads and then smashed it. I took the easier route. I had some bagged frozen broccoli. I cooked it according to the instructions, and then I poured off the water, you guys, and then let it cool. And then what I did is I proceeded to smash it with the underside of a glass. And one thing that I noticed as I continued along, it was so much easier to take the little pieces of broccoli and then sandwich it in between the paper towel and then smash it. And that way, you know, you get like 2 for the price of 1. You get the smashed broccoli piece, and then you also get a lot of that water, okay, extracted from it, and it soaks into that paper towel. So I would definitely say if you want to make this recipe, to go ahead and prep the broccoli in advance, and everything else is just easy breezy, okay? So now that I've said that, I've got my broccoli, I've got my shredded cheese, I have my seasoning of choice. It's nothing more than some salt, some garlic powder, and since I had some barbecue fry seasoning in the cabinet, which I love barbecue chips, I went ahead and put some of that in there. The only thing that you want to do is, because again, we're trying to keep this as clean as possible, just be mindful of the ingredients, okay, in whatever seasoning that you choose to use. And then of course we've got some olive oil. So you guys, this is what we do. We take a parchment line tray like this. And then we start with a little bit of olive oil, and we put that in every spot that we're going to place a little broccoli chip piece. Okay, now that we have our oil in place, the next thing that we're going to do is to put some of our seasoning right on top of the oil. And next is some of our cheese. Let's drop that in place. All right, and then next is our pieces of flattened and dry broccoli. All right, everyone. Now, the last thing that we're going to do is to put some more cheese on top. Okay. Now, this is all set to go off to our preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. So I'll see you soon. Oh my goodness, you guys, wait till you see this. They are piping hot. So if you can see that, Oh my gosh. I'll give you a close up too. So what I need to do, oh, and they smell amazing. What I need to do is to let these sit here and cool, and then we're gonna give them a taste. All right, everyone. I am so excited for this recipe. Lord, I thank you. That's good. You guys, this is not a potato chip, but man, is this good. Oh, this is so good. I am telling you. Mm. Now, my honest assessment, will it replace my potato chips? No, it's not going to do that. It's not going to do that. However, will it cut back on my potato chip habit? I absolutely believe that it would, because if I make a batch of these and sit back and have a few of these, you guys, I think that that would definitely take away that potato chip craving, that I have, that I struggle with. We got to be honest about things, okay? And that is, like I said, my weakness are potato chips. So if I had a batch of these, I truly believe that if I had a few of these, that the potato chip habit, okay, will definitely be curtailed, because these are absolutely phenomenal, and they are so easy to make. Broccoli, some cheese, a little bit of seasoning, and you guys, you are good to go. So please do give it a try. I will also leave the link to the original recipe in my description. As a matter of fact, I'm going out to, what's her name again? Going out to Miss Ella's Healthy Recipes and see what else she has got going on out there, because again, this for me is a winner. So you guys, thank you all so very much for joining me here today. Remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and also keep it simple, keep it healthy, and keep it delicious. And also, a friendly reminder, hydrate, 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 guys. I am on this water kick. I tell you, I love the water bottle because it keeps me on track. I am a water drinker. I have no problem in drinking water. But when I got this bottle, okay, it even made it easier for me to stay on track as far as my consumption is concerned. This is 64 ounces of water. I drink the entire thing each and every day. Now, you guys, my skin, I'm going to just tell you, right? I know this is a cooking video, but I'm here to share my whole experience with you. My skin is looking even better than it has before, okay? And I attribute that to healthy eating, working out, and hydrating throughout the day. So you guys, make it a great day. Make it your own kind of special. And also, please do, if you love what you're feeling and hearing here, then also please do subscribe to my channel. Subscribe button is below. And I will see you guys right here real soon. And enjoy. Oh, yeah. Mm. You know what else I'm going to do, guys? I love jalapeno peppers. I have some in the fridge. I'll put some of those on top of these too. Right? So good. See you soon.